Well guys, it looks like it's the first snowfall of the year for me down here.
Can I see?
Sure can.
This is taking a lot.
It's taking a lot.
Yeah. A lot of it. And more.
Nothing like a little child labor. Well, good morning everyone. Been kind of a messed up week as far as work goes. We finished up one job on Tuesday and went to start another one on Wednesday, but the contractors that were there building a deck put all the material on our slab due to lack of room for them. So we decided, well, instead of moving their material or trying to sort it out, we decided to take the rest of the week off, and managed to get the ceiling pretty much all wrapped up. A couple more pieces in there I guess I got to do. If you recall, I'm putting this isoanurate in, but I put a piece on both sides to create a trough through the center, and then that gets nailed up into the spaces like that, creating a air channel from the soffits to the roof vent. And that's just to prevent having a hot roof, which in turn hopefully will prevent any ice damming. Last Saturday I ran up to Grand Marais with my brother-in-law and his granddaughter and wife, and stopped at Raymond Zickrick's place. He's a subscriber and he's got a little woodland sawmill, and he was nice enough to cut up all my 1x10 and a 1x2 for the battens on the sword shed. So we went and got that. Well, I just want to take the time and thank Ray for milling all that for me, and much appreciated. But Tuesday we had our first killing frost, so right away Monday after work I knew it was supposed to frost up overnight. The daughter and myself, we went and picked all the tomatoes, and I will insert a little clip of what that looks like. I have a bedroom now full of tomatoes, which is fine. Hopefully they'll all ripen. I am going to get back to work here and put some more insulation in before I go back outside. Well, good morning once again. And it is a cool one again. 27 degrees out, frosty. I ripped up a couple more sheets of that ISO in order to finish off some more of the insulating inside here. Of course, this is just the first layer. There'll still be an R19 over the top of it, but that'll be fiberglass. Keep the place nice and cozy. Had to use a propane heater because I still don't have my cook stove hooked up to the chimney. And that's kind of intentional because I want to be able to move this cook stove if I have to in order to finish off this back wall with whatever I'm going to be doing. I'm still up in the air about that. I just want to take a moment and thank everyone. I know it's been a bit of a struggle for me to get out these videos this summer, as I've been working a lot and then trying my hand at gardening a little bit and also getting stuff done around home. It's taken quite a bit of time away from the cabin, but it's all needed to be done. So I'm hoping when things slow down here this winter, which they will, it is Minnesota, that I'll be able to get back in here a little more regular, try to get videos out once a week again. So yeah, I'm just inside the cabin this morning here until it warms up a little bit, and then I'll go out and put some more boards on the storage shed and stuff. So again, I want to thank everyone for watching, and take care out there and be safe, and I hope you have a good week, and we will talk to you later.